Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the correlative conjunction both and. How to use the correlative conjunction both and in sentences, let us learn in this session very clearly. This paired conjunction is also called a correlative conjunction. Already we have known it. Now let us learn regarding this conjunction very clearly. Both and, this is the conjunction. Here we have three structures which are related to the correlative conjunction both and. By following the structures which have been written on the board, we can join two events into one. Structure 1, both plus adjective plus and plus adjective. Structure 2, both plus noun plus and plus noun. Structure 3, both plus verb plus and plus verb. These are the structures that we use while combining two events into one by using the correlative conjunction both and. Generally, we have learnt regarding not only but also. That is also the correlative conjunction. In such a way, we can use both and in the sentences in order to join two events into one by following these three structures. For example, if you take the first one, both plus adjective plus and plus adjective. Vishnu was both cruel and cheat. Vishnu was both cruel and cheat. Here, if you take the first structure, Vishnu was both plus adjective plus and plus adjective. Okay? By using this structure, we have joined two events into one. Vishnu was both cruel and cheat. Now let us take second one. Both plus noun plus and plus noun. Both plus noun plus and plus noun. My mother makes both coffee and tea. Both plus noun plus and plus noun. Here, according to this structure, we can write this one. My mother makes both coffee and tea. Both plus noun plus and plus noun. By using this structure, we have written the second example. We have written the second statement. Now let us go to third structure. Both plus verb plus and plus verb. By taking this structure, let us write some example which is related to this structure. The teacher both punished and sent the boy out. The teacher both punished and sent the boy out. This is the sentence. Here we can observe the third structure such as both plus verb plus and plus verb. In such a way, we can write number of examples which are related to the structures which have been written on the board regarding the correlative conjunction both and. In my next session, I shall meet you with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.